Hi guys, so ato sa eskwelahan today kay pila pag DTR last election. So ready na ta. See you there. Hi.
Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi Teacher S Moto vlog.
Ako ang ako ang solid supporter.
Yes, number 1. Please follow her. Please.
Cute dayan. Single.
Single po. Ay, dili. Taken day atong Teacher S.
Bye bye
So
guys.
please follow and support her. Thank you. Bye.